Imagine kicking a football, pushing a door to open it, or lifting your school bag from the ground. Now think about this question: do objects move on their own, or does something make them move? If there were no force in this world, you wouldn't be able to walk, objects wouldn't fall, and nothing could change its position. In this video, we will understand force in a very easy way. Force simply means a push or a pull. Whenever we push something, pull something, or change the motion of an object, we are applying a force. Force can make a stationary object move, stop a moving object, increase or decrease speed, change direction, or even change the shape of an object. Without force, cars could not move. Airplanes could not fly. You could not write with a pen. Even touching your phone screen wouldn't work. Force is everywhere around us, we just don't always notice it. Real-life examples of force. When you kick a football, your leg applies force to the ball. More force, the ball goes farther. Less force, the ball moves only a short distance. A door is closed. You push it and the door opens. Here, you are applying force. The door is the object. If the force is too small, the door will not open. When you throw a ball upward, it comes back down. This happens because of gravity, a force that pulls objects toward the earth. Gravity keeps us on the ground. Rain falling down. Planets moving in space. When you pull a rope toward yourself, you are applying a pulling force. The object moves in the direction of the force. This shows that force can be a pull, not just a push. When a bicycle is moving, and you apply brakes, the bicycle slows down and stops. Here, force is used to stop motion. So force does not only start motion, it can also end motion. Force. Some common types of forces are muscular force, gravity force, friction force, magnetic force. All these forces work in different ways, but they all affect motion. Ending questions. Now let's test your understanding. 1. What happens when you apply more force to an object? 2. Can force change the shape of an object? 3. Is gravity a push or a pull? 4. Can an object move without any force? 5. Which example of force do you see most in daily life? Think about these questions and try to answer them in the comments. If this video helped you understand force, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more simple physics videos.